Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications on all our latest tech tips and tricks. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat quickly and easily. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now tap on your Bitmoji icon or name to open the Bitmoji settings. In the Bitmoji settings, look for an option that says Edit my Bitmoji or Change avatar style and tap on it. Here you can see various customization options. To change the gender of your Bitmoji, you'll need to start from scratch. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct option to change the gender, so tap on the avatar style option. Now you can start creating your Bitmoji into a boy. For that, you'll need to choose a hairstyle of a boy. Simply turn off this. Using all this, you can select your appearance to your liking. Take your time to adjust all the features, hair, eyes, outfit until you're happy with your new Bitmoji. Once you're done, save your new avatar. And there you have it. That's how you can change the gender of your Bitmoji on Snapchat. If you don't want to do like this, what you can do is delete your Bitmoji and start it from the scratch. And that's all there is to it. This is how you can change the gender of your Bitmoji on Snapchat. It's a bit of a process, but it's totally worth it to have an avatar that represents you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below.